Hello there, my name is E.T. I am the owner of this channel, so welcome to my universe. Excuse my previous harsh behavior, I was simply not done getting my stuff prepared. The way you can see into my universe is because of the portal. I have the ability to break the portal. I also broke said portal temporarily to finish preparing. I know I promised to make an introduction video, but I never specified what I would introduce. Just kidding, I am currently making the real introduction. Right now I am introducing myself and I will explain lore you might have missed. The glitching was because I was trying to break the portal. I am also guessing you don't know who was speaking at the end of the figure. That was actually a different character. I won't say her name yet. She can, however, hear this conversation. Revealing me already? My dear, you can't do that. You will see me eventually. Dear? Now where were we? Oh, well, see you next time. Please, like or comment. Please.